Hello to anyone who's watching this. Today I'm going to be setting up the 240 to drop the subframe. Okay, so what's going down is pretty much I ordered a whole bunch of brand new stuff online. It's going to be coming in tomorrow for the S13. What I'm going to do today is drop the subframe because two of the things I got are a Hikis rear delete bar and solid subframe bushings. So I'm going to need to drop the subframe, and I'm dropping it a day earlier because I'm going to bring it to work, sandblast it, paint it, so when I put everything back in I don't got any rusty BS to deal with. So I'm going to blast that. I also got Megan toe arms, camber arms, and the other arm, but yeah, I'm gonna blast those and paint them all as well, so it's gonna look freaking awesome when it goes in. But yeah, let's just back the 240 into here and then we can start taking that stuff off. Okay, so as of right now I got the rear end up on two jack stands, one under each of the frame rails. So pretty much first what I'm gonna do is take off the rear wheels and the rear calipers. And then once those are off and out of place, I can disconnect the shocks, and then I can work towards getting the subframe dropped. Okay, so right now I got the wheels off, got the calipers on still. What I'm doing is I'm actually going to take the exhaust off from the front back. So there's three 17 mil bolts that hold it on to the downpipe, and then there's should be two right around where the cat is holding on the mid pipe, and then I got some hangers to pop off. And then once the exhaust is off, as you can see, the exhaust comes right through the subframe here. Once that's off, I'll be able to start loosening things off to take the subframe. Okay, so little change of plans. What happened was I ended up getting the exhaust off of the car right there. Big old straight pipe. Other than that, I ended up finding this guy who wasn't replying to me earlier was selling a S13 non-Hikis rear subframe, and it already has the aluminum bushings in it. So I'm like, save myself some money. Went and picked that up last night. So I don't need to drop this one, but I am going to be taking the new subframe to work today and blasting it. Yeah, but pretty much I got the new subframe in my car here. I'm just gonna get this done first because it's the biggest. So on the Hikis, non-rear Hikis, it actually has the bolt for the toe arm here. As you can see, it's got the solid subframe bushings in it there and there, but it's in really rough condition. So like, I'm gonna blast it, paint it all. Alright, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to hear me, but this is the setup for sandblasting. I've got subframe here, we got our hose with a number 6 nozzle, and there's our blast pot. We're going to be blasting around 140 psi, and I'm going to kind of give you guys a point of view. Hopefully you can see pretty. See, she's all blasted. I blew it all down. All in there, no rust, nothing left at all. She's gonna have a mint paint job. So I'm gonna go bring it over and hang it up on the rack. Okay, so my GoPro died shortly after I finished blasting the subframe, but I got it hung up and got a coat of paint on it, and let's check it out. So I put a Carboline 890 using it as the primer. So this is just the first kind of coat. There's still some low spots on it, but that's okay. We're gonna cover it up with black. It's the same paint system we use on these Parker cylinders, but yeah, it's nice and dry now. It's gonna be good and black tomorrow, but yeah. What's going on? So I just got back to work. I got all the parts blasted, hung up. I put a coat of yellow on earlier, and now I'm just about to do the second coat. So I just flipped everything and hung it up. So that's how we got it right now. It's still pretty low, but it's looking good. I like the yellow, so I just mixed up a fresh cup of some PPG Amber Coat, which is what I'm using on here. So I'm gonna do a little spray and okay, I didn't film any more painting so that I could focus on doing a good job, and this is where we're at so far. So everything's pretty yellow. There is a little run in the control arm, but I'm not worried about it. You can't really see it. But yeah, man, the yellow's looking pretty good. That diff is gonna pop there with the black. So I got those, and then I just finished spraying black onto the spindles and lower control arms, which I did over here because I didn't want to get any overspray from the black on the yellow. Yeah, let me show you those now. Yeah, so I laid down some black on the spindles and rear lower control arms, and honestly it went on super smooth. Like, it sprayed a lot better than the yellow did, and it covered up very good. So this is all just still super wet, but damn, that's gonna look so much better. You know? So yeah, now I'm gonna show you what the subframe looked like, because I finished painting that this morning, so now it's all dry and ready to go. So here is the subframe. She's all finished, nice glossy black. The yellow diff gonna sit right in there. It's gonna pop really nice, gonna have a good contrast. But yeah, man, this thing is 10,000 times better. Like, looks so good now. Fully coated. Thing's never gonna rust out again.